Okay, so I'm just gonna do a little errand run. There's a Raba market or something like that. I forget exactly. It's not too far away. I think it's a Circle K actually. Just up there. I just need to go and get something real quick. And I will be using the electric scooter to accomplish that. Now, it has rained. I mean, it's all wet. And it is a little bit of a mist coming down. So it is misty. But I'm going to do it anyway. I'm just going to take it very easy. So I got it on mode 2 right now. And I can feel the mist hitting my face. So it is misty. I'm going to take it easy on the curves. Not try to lean too far compared to what I usually do. And just got some garbage here in my pocket. Be a good civic citizen and throw it away. And okay, so let's see how it handles this weather condition right now. I'm gonna stay away from water puddles, that's for sure, like right there, as best as I can. I don't want to run this thing full water. It's not supposed to, it's not designed to. And I'm gonna go slow, so if I do get into trouble, I can just jump off and let the scooter itself fly. I will gladly sacrifice the scooter for my bones. So what we're going to do here is we are just going to jump the curve down here and walk it. Okay, that should be good. And now we're on side streets, and these are 40 km/h streets. So I'm going 18 right now in a 40 km zone going by the school. This is misty but not raining. A little bit of mist in my glasses, but nothing to be too concerned about. So just like any car in wet weather, you know, you want to make sure you maintain traction, so slow down early. 40 km area. So this being a 40 km zone, it's not a problem for this particular scooter. The laws in Mississauga say that you can use a scooter on cycle paths, mixed use paths. Can't use them on sidewalks, but you can also use them on roads like I'm doing right now, so long as they are limited to 50 km/h. So to my right, all the way over there, is Huron, Ontario. That is the major artery in Mississauga, basically the main road, and that main road has a speed limit of 60, I believe, and in some areas actually 70. Around here though, it is 60. Whoa, it smells like curry around here. Got this curry smell that just hit me. Somebody must be cooking. And I may have to stop. There's a car coming behind me, but I may have to stop a few times just to clear my glasses, apparently, because I'm getting quite a bit of mist. I don't know how it is up there. You guys on my head with the lens. I may have to clear that one, lens on the GoPro. But all said, I am actually not too far from Bristol right now. So this is going to be a short hop, very short. Of course, this pickup truck is going to back up without even looking. And there it is. There's Bristol right ahead of me. That's the big road right there. That is a 50 km/h road as well, and it does have a cycle path. So I will turn right onto the cycle path up to the Petro-Canada, which has the Circle K. I don't think it's a Raba, I think it's a Circle K. Anyway, it's kind of in a nice little convenience store. It's very convenient, has a lot of conveniences. And that's what I'm doing. I'm just doing a small little run like this today. So, right hand turn right here. Did I blow through that stop? Yes, I did. Now, obviously the bike lane is just to my left. I'm actually going through the parking spots right now. These are parking spots, but you know what? Doesn't matter. The only important thing is cars are not allowed here, so I want to give like this guy, big trucks like that, I want to give them a wide berth. It's a little hard to fathom, it's a little hard to realize this, but they do displace quite a bit of air, those big pickup trucks and delivery vans. And when you're over there on a little scooter like this with 10-inch wheels, you can actually feel the air displacement as they go by. So let's not take any chances. Oh god, the kids are just out of school now. That's gonna be bad. That means that store over there is gonna be full of kids, you know, grabbing junk food or something. I don't know why they're out so early. God, that Volkswagen right behind me. Yeah, there are the kids all lined up in front of the freaking school. We're just gonna go back. I need to tighten this strap down, it's too loose. Dangerous driving, CPLC 217. The cops are going to hear about you. Yeah, well, he's on freaking camera. I'm going to tell the cops about it.
Wait, what happened?
Nothing. He's just being an asshole. He's trying to showboat.
He slid and then like...
Yeah, he was just showboating, trying to get in here and use the handbrake turn. He just used the handbrake to do a turn. CPLC 217.
I like your scooter.
What's that?
I like your scooter.
Oh, thanks, man. So, well, I got his plate number, so I'll be calling the cops on him. That's called dangerous driving.
Enjoy.
Especially in front of a school, eh? Fat bike right over there, or is it a fat scooter? It looks like a fat bike with a low bar, low step bar. Coast our way down this hill. Actually, I'm not going to coast. I'm slowing down too much. The electric motor at the back, causes a little drag even when it's not being used. Although brushless motors should not be causing any drag. Whoa, hold on, puppy. I recognize that car. You! Stay out of this neighborhood! Stay out of this neighborhood. We know you're a criminal. We caught you stealing that bike. Stay out of this neighborhood. I'll fucking call the cops on you. CFFZ 586.